Do you know that Japan is one of the most advanced countries? Japanese vending machine industry has started with 818 vending machines, which Coke Company installed in 1962. Thanks to the Peaceful Society of Japan, vending machines were able to put outside. It is convenient to use them, thus they became popular in Japan.
After about 50 years, next-generation vending machines are installed at present. From now on, we introduce a next-generation vending machines. It sets up in a platform of a railway station. You can buy what you want simply by touching the display. When you stood in front of it, beverage images will be displayed on a large display. If you buy goods, character of thank you is displayed on the touch panel. And it can convey appeal of goods because it can show you videos about items. Furthermore, next-generation vending machines can show you not only videos about items, but also a variety of videos. For example, it can be shown traffic information of the train, news and a weather forecast. You confirm the weather forecast by this vending machine, and if it is for rain, you can also buy an umbrella at the station. Moreover, next-generation vending machines have another function. It is marketing brain. So it can also change contents to recommend by temperature.
It has an AR camera. The camera can distinguish age and sex from facial feature points. It recommends a product to use based on the information that it gets from the camera. Also, it can take a picture with a landscape for a background, so you can have an interesting experience by using this new vending machine in Japan.